set out to basically build a company to be able to give back and to make a difference and to be there for people in a time of need. And so when you look at what Ram Restoration really is about, it's about a family of businesses that can truly take care of everything from the root to the foundation, from a new build construction to repairing from a storm or just, adding on to it. Whether it's, somebody's toilet overflowed to dealing with an entire house that got hit with a tornado and the roof ripped off.
Ram Restoration is a family-owned, locally owned, operated thing. We're small enough to care, big enough to make a difference. We're here to, at the end of the day, we say it a lot, making a difference in people's lives is what we're doing. Whether it's remodeling your house or taking care of it from a flood or a storm or a hurricane or anything like that, we're here to take care of you and work you through the process.
Working with Ram, I have never been more respected. I've had an excellent working relationship with the project managers. I was amazed at how well the project managers worked with their crew. A human being was always accessible. There was always someone that answered the phone. That's huge, that's huge. It has been the easiest contract I've worked with. Absolutely amazing.
With decades of experience, Ram is prepared for whatever comes your way. Whether you need a bigger kitchen or you have to rebuild from the ground up, Ram is here to build the future that you dream. Then we'll help protect you and the ones you love. Ram Restoration, everything under one roof.